All right, take a look at this home gym. Now, this one took me about 3 hours to set up because I had a couple of issues here and there. My box came ripped open and there was one screw missing, but I was able to replace it. Very simple. Now, the only thing I wish they had additional screws because sometimes they add an extra one. In this case, it wasn't in here, but it's okay. It's something I could recover. Now, this whole entire thing is made for two types of weights, Olympic size and the smaller size. All right, now you have over the shoulder bar here set up on the top. All right, you got for your pull-ups, your pull-downs, your squats, your chair, adjustable seat, and then like I said, different types of weights, and you can lock this in place too. Or if you guys can see that there's some locks in here that you're able to lock them into the actual tube itself. And then the actual strap itself, what I recommend you when you get this, add oil, because it is kind of like it needs to be greased up, this part of it, because this is going to be bringing the weights up. All right, so when you pull it, you want to make sure you grease that up. All right, grease that up, and then also run some grease on these lines too, because you want to make sure that they're really nice and smooth. All right, when you're working out. Now this thing rotates too much, make sure you lock it in place in here so it won't get locked and hit you in the head. Now you have another area where you could actually do your different exercises. If you guys can see that, these are pull-ups, pull-downs, pretty much. You got this part, which is great, that I like it, and you have to lock it in too. This is where you put your feet down and you do some pull-ups, all right, kind of like pull toward yourself. There's like thousands of different exercises you can do. They have the extra accessories here that you can adjust and take them off and use them for yourself, even for your leg press and so forth. Now, one thing that I did run into issues was setting these screws up here. These were the most difficult ones when you're actually running through these little pulleys, right? So, but other than that, really simple, and I really like it. It's really simple to put together. It doesn't take too much space here. It is a little bit over 6 feet. All right, I'm about 6 feet. This thing's about close to 7. All right, so you are going to need some space on the top. It has multiple exercises here that you can do, and I'm just going to demo a couple of them so you guys can see how they work. And of course, they do detachable. Right, these are all detachable, so you don't have to be worrying about coming off and on. This whole entire thing comes in two different colors, black and red, which I like the colors. Adjustable seats. Now let's test it out. Let's do a pull-up from the top. Right, all right, like I mentioned, there's two types of weights you can put in here, Olympic and the smaller version. Smaller is more common that you're going to find in stores, right, because it's less heavier. So they do have a detachment here, and you just put it in place. Now you're gonna have to provide your own lock because this is an Olympic size lock, so we're gonna leave it as it is. You can pull this to yourself if you want. You can use this for the top, either vice versa. It comes with the hook, but today we're not gonna use that. We're just gonna use the top one. So bring this one down, adjust your seat how you want. All right, and what you want to do is bring this over your back like this. And pull up. All right, overall, this thing's really light to move around without the weights, of course. Very simple to work out, different method. I'm not a professional. There's a lot of different exercises you can do this, especially with that one up there. And this one, you could reattach it and vice versa. You could change them. You could rotate them all out in different rotations if you want to create your own exercises or mimic some other ones. But out of the box, it's heavy duty. One person, myself, put it together. So if you guys are looking for a small little home gym, hope you guys enjoyed the video.